Hey everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing good today, and I am on the lookout for a new team project. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I have a piston team and I had a my diamond team. But unfortunately, the my diamond team project failed, and so I wanted to make it up to everybody who is part of that team by getting involved with another solid project. And so basically I asked all of you guys what project you think I should get onto, and the vast majority of you said drip. Obviously I've heard of drip before and I have read the white paper in the past, but I've never actually really deep dived into every aspect of the drip ecosystem. So I wanted to do that. And my initial research was watching other YouTubers about drip, and basically half of them said it was a Ponzi scheme and half of them said it wasn't a Ponzi scheme because of XYZ reasons. So I need to look at the evidence and make up my own mind, and this video is going to be what I found. And obviously this video is just my opinion, it's not any type of financial advice. Firstly, let's define what a Ponzi means. And in my opinion, in DeFi, a Ponzi means a combination of a pyramid scheme and a traditional Ponzi, which is a project that has no product. And so does drip have either of these things in it? The two massive arguments against drip are: how can you sustain paying 1% per day without new investors coming in, aka it's a pyramid scheme, or what products or utility does drip actually have, aka it's a Ponzi scheme? I look at it like this: drip promises to pay 1% drip per day, not this much money per day. So if the price of drip is $100 and you're getting one drip per day, then you're getting $100 per day. If the price of drip is $0, then you're getting no money per day, but you're still getting 1% drip per day. So the real question here is, how sustainable is it to keep paying you that 1% drip per day? If we look on CoinMarketCap, you can see the total supply of drip tokens is 1 million. However, when we go to the contract, you can see that the total supply is 1.5 million. So that means in the life of the drip protocol, which is about 16 months, it's minted just over 500,000 extra drip. For argument's sake, let's say every 16 months, 500,000 drip needs to be minted in order to keep paying rewards. Well, with the max supply of 100 million drip, that means the drip network can keep paying rewards for the next 17 years. And those new rewards will continue to be locked up in the protocol and locked up in liquidity pools, making it deflationary. And this is actually working right now because the circulating supply, which is the important number, is about 100,000 drip. So in terms of sustainability to keep paying the rewards through the mint function and the taxes, then yes, this project is sustainable for the foreseeable future. So if it can keep paying rewards for the next decade and a half, then the most important thing is the value of the token, because there's no point having a sustainable token if that token has no value. So is the value of the drip token created by buying pressure of new investors coming in, aka a pyramid scheme? Well, drip does need continuous money coming in, just like any business in the world, but new money coming in doesn't necessarily make it a pyramid scheme. I don't believe drip is a pyramid scheme because you can join the protocol and you can get your 1% per day without referring anybody else into your team. In other words, you can go 100% solo. In fact, drip would still work if everybody joined solo, if everybody just joined the project wallet and nobody bought anyone on, the project would still work. Essentially what it means is you'd have thousands of teams of one instead of hundreds of larger teams. I don't know why we're forced to join somebody else's team, and I'm really curious on Forex Shark's reasons behind this, but we are forced to join somebody's team, and the fact that they get a referral bonus when we join their team makes this look like a pyramid scheme. The referral is just meant to be a bonus for bringing somebody into the project, just like Amazon would give you a bonus if you were to refer somebody to one of their products. And that's the interesting thing with drip. It comes down to, where does the value actually come from? I'd really love to know. And also, if I got anything wrong or missed anything, then please correct me in the comments and I can make a note of that. And until next time, please stay safe, happy investing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.